welcome back. Today we're diving into your favorite K-pop demon hunters, what they'd look like in real life, their favorite drinks, and fun emoji guest challenges too. Ready to play? K-pop demon hunters reimagined in real life. This is Rumi, the powerful half-demon leader of Hunter X, and here is Rumi in real life.
I was a ghost, I was alone.
Meet Mira, one of the fierce fighters of Hunter X. Here is Mira in real life. Here's Jinu, the charismatic demon from the rival Saja boys. Here is Jinu in real life. This is Bobby, a unique and powerful character in the K-pop demon hunters world. Here is Bobby in real life.
Everyone's listening to it! Yay! So let's go promo!
This is Mystery Saja, the secretive and intriguing one of the Saja boys. Here is Mystery Saja in real life. This is Celine, the skilled mentor who raised Rumi. Here is Celine in real life.
Understand?
No, Rumi. Nothing can change until your patterns.
Meet Abby's, the fierce and fearless hunter with a bold spirit. Here is Abby's in real life. And this is Romance Saja, full of charm and heart, the romantic soul among the Saja boys. Here is Romance Saja in real life. This is Zoey, the team's heart and soul. Here is Zoey in real life. K-pop demon hunters reveal their favorite drinks. Mystery Saja, full of energy with a can of Bang. Say hi to Ab Saja, always sunny with Sunkissed. First up, meet Rumi. She powers up with Prime. Bobby steps up, recharged with Gatorade. It's Zoey, her favorite, grape Fanta for that extra flair. Here's Mira. Nothing beats an icy Pepsi Max. Romance Saja loves it classic. He picks 7-Up. Enter Jinu, keeping it cool with Diet Coke. And last, the fierce Celine runs on Monster Energy. Remember their drink? Let's see if you've got it. Rumi's all about staying energized. Which drink keeps her in top form? And the right answer is Prime. Rumi powers up with Prime. When Zoey hits the stage, what's her favorite drink to sip on? Got it. Zoey's go-to is grape Fanta. Spot the heroine who rocks the stage with electric energy. It's Rumi, the powerhouse idol. Mira needs her secret weapon. Which cola is always in her hand? Pepsi Max is the answer. Mira's choice every time. Jinu's ready for action. What does he grab from the fridge? Did you pick Diet Coke? That's Jinu's top pick. Who's the mysterious dark fighter with a fierce mask? That's Genu, deadly and cool. Romance, Saja loves something light and bubbly. Can you guess what it is? Seven Up for the win, Romance Saja's refreshing favorite. Mystery Saja's energy is off the charts. Which drink is his fuel? It's Bang. Mystery Saja loves that high energy. Which character shields the team with fiery beats? Meet Romance Saja, the Heart of Fire. Ab Saja shines brightest with his go-to drink. Which one is it? Sunkissed is correct. Ab Saja keeps it cool with Sunkissed. Bobby's pick keeps him cool after a battle. What's his favorite refreshment? The answer is Gatorade. Bobby stays refreshed with Gatorade. Who's the fierce blue tiger king in the squad? That's Bobby, bold and loyal. Celine needs a serious boost for the toughest fights. Which energy drink gets her going? Monster Energy is the one, Celine's fierce favorite. Which magical guardian brings light and hope? Zoey's the shining star here. Choose your next epic adventure and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more.